Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah and this walkthrough Wednesday. Today I have two rigs for you. One is this beautiful, probably one of the only ones left in the country, brand new 2022 Globetrotter 23-foot front bed twin bed. It's a beautiful model and it's ready to take home today. The other one is this 16-foot Caravel that's behind me here. This one already has a 3-inch lift kit on it. It already has a receiver hitch on the bumper, but it's also brand new and ready to go home with you today. Let's go check these rigs out. So I'm standing inside this brand new, beautiful 2022 model Globetrotter. It's a 23-foot front bed twin bed. It has the Copenhagen cream interior. It's 23 feet 9 inches from the hitch to the rear bumper, 8 feet outside wide, 7 feet 7 on the inside width, 9 feet 9 inches tall, 6 feet 7 right here on the inside of the rig. It has a 525 pound hitch weight. It weighs 5,300 pounds empty. That includes your batteries and your full propane tanks. And you have a 1,000 pound cargo carrying capacity. You have a 37 fresh, 37 gray, and a 17 gallon black water tank. This one sleeps 4 folks, 2 here in the dinette, 2 up in the bedroom. It has a 13,500 BTU ducted air conditioner with a heat pump, and it has an 18,000 BTU furnace. The twin beds measure 34 inches wide by 8 inches long and has a rounded corner. And this rig is exceptional. And like I said, probably one of the very few of these left in the United States available right now, because you cannot buy this model anymore. The 23 twin bed is only available in the Flying Cloud and International. No longer is it available in the Globetrotter. So let's check the rest of this rig out. Standing up here in this twin bedroom, I love this long hallway. You can see already that you have the cabinetry up here. Both the doors are open, but they're lit inside cabinets. You have this gorgeous fully wraparound window. Big window over here, big window over here. You do have a closet space right here. Hanging options only, and it's a half-size closet. You have a giant closet over here, big, with a shelf up top. The TV is in the bedroom. It swivels out and all the way around. You have storage underneath both beds, and you have a center nightstand table with a drawer here. I'm sitting here in this booth seat, wraparound booth seat. Love the table height. One of my especially favorite features about this model is I have dual windows right here on my curb side. So when I'm camping out here, I have a great view from the place that I spend most of my time right here at this table. Love the table, comfortable chairs, very comfortable back. Above us here is a dual open cabinet storage space. On this side I have the radio and Blu-ray player and things of that nature. On the other side is the kitchen, and it's right here within reach. Standing here in the galley area, so I have a nice deep sink. I have this extra trash can here. I have a drawer down here with the trash can. You have your silverware drawer here, another drawer at the bottom, a 3-burner cooktop from Dometic, and you have the Contour convection oven microwave, which is fantastic. It's an air fryer, it's a grill, it's a convection oven, and it's a microwave, or a combination of the above. You have a nice range hood here that vents to the outside, and you have excellent storage up top. You also have this 6.5 cubic foot refrigerator from Norcold. It's all electric, pulls 12 amps per hour, 6 amps per compressor on your battery. So it's an all electric refrigerator, but it's more efficient than a laptop. Freezer's at the bottom, and your refrigerator is up top. You have a storage bin up top. Let's go check out the lavatory. I'm standing here in the lavatory looking towards the front of the rig. You can see you have this nice big window out the back. Your shower is here. Toilet is over here. And you have this nice sink and plenty of counter space and storage space back here. You have a little mirror that pulls out from the wall. But it's a very spacious bathroom to be a 23-foot camper. Back outside, you can see that there's a storage up there underneath the front bed. There's also storage on the very front, and there's storage on the other side. So outside you have 3 different sides of storage. You have the rear bumper storage, just like in every Globetrotter. You have this nice beautiful awning, and you also have an awning on the rear and the other side. One other thing the Globetrotter has is automatic powered stabilizing jack, so you don't have to crank everything down. Just push a button and it comes down automatically. Welcome to the 16-foot Caravel. Couple of data points about this thing. It's 16 feet 5 inches from the hitch to the rear bumper. We put a receiver hitch on here, so it does stick out just a little bit further than that, so about 16 feet 8 inches maybe. It's 8 feet wide outside, 7 feet 7 wide inside. It's 9 feet 9 inches tall. Normally, this one has a 3-inch lift kit on it, so it's a little bit taller. 6 feet 7 inches inside the rig. It has a 490-pound hitch weight. That includes full tanks and batteries. It weighs 3,500 pounds empty and it has a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,300 pounds. So you have 800-pound cargo carrying capacity. You have a 13,500 BTU ducted AC up top with a heat pump, and you have a 12,000 BTU ducted gas furnace down here. You have a 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator. You have a 23-gallon freshwater tank, and you have a combined black and gray tank of 30 gallons. This particular model has the pewter colored seats. The master bed back there is what I call a twin plus, but it's 48 inches by 78 inches long. And the front kitchen table right here drops down to a conversion bed that is 40 inches wide by 91 inches long. It has the wet bath, so your toilet is all combined in here in your shower. You do have a nice size closet here for hanging items, and it goes all the way to the floor. Storage up top above the sink. Storage up top above the table configurations. One thing I really love about this 16-footer, one, is super small and you can tow it with most vehicles, but two, you have a full wraparound window up the front and in the bedroom. You have storage up top above the beds back there. You have storage underneath your seating area up front. Here in the kitchen you can see the top of your refrigerator, sink area here, storage area, range vent hood. It's a nice size space. I feel comfortable in here. I feel like me and one other person could stand in here and dance around each other very comfortably. Sitting up here in the front lounge area, I have plenty of space and I'm very comfortable here. I can take that rear TV in the bedroom and flip it around, and I can sit here and watch movies, and I can still see out my back window, have my door open, my awning out, and I can sit here and let the breeze blow through. If either of these models is of interest to you, we are having an open house this Saturday, the 14th of May. It'll be a great time to check them out. Stop by and see us. Let us know if we can answer any questions for you. Happy adventures, everyone.